It's a pleasure to be with you this morning. Sir, can we get to meet you, sir?
Okay, my name is ESV Olufemi Bello. I'm the facility manager of Wuse Market.
All right, thank you very much, sir. Sir, we want to share your view on the importance of keeping the importance of environmental health, maintaining environmental health.
The importance of maintaining environmental health. Basically, I think my understanding of this environmental health issue is if you have a dirty environment, people become sick. People get sick, different illness and stuff like that. But if your environment is clean, of course, you are healthy. A dirty environment, if you go to where, let's call the slum area, you find out that the number of people in the hospital are more due to maybe improper disposal of waste, that's talking of both liquid and solid waste. Then attitudinal problem where people throw things on the street and it becomes decayed, and eventually the same person is inhaling it again, and before you know, it affects your health. So it's good. I appreciate the project you guys are doing right now, because when you create awareness, I think the major thing that needs to be done about the environmental health issue is create more awareness, just like you are doing, such that people understand that, one, you stop open defecation, two, you dispose your waste properly, both liquid and solid. In the case of liquid waste, where you have sewer lines that are broken and stuff like that, is quickly taken care of. While for the solid waste, when you throw things that are degradable, they say, it has effects on you, on the human health. So the project you guys are carrying out is a laudable one, and I'm aware, like you rightly said earlier on, is among the Millennium Development Goal of the United Nations. So I think it's a good project you guys are working.
All right, Avon admits that it is a good project to actually create awareness on proper waste management. So we will further want to know, being a member of the management board of Wuse Market, so we want to know how the Wuse Market management have been going, the ways they've been trying to recycle their waste and managing them properly to maintain and ensure that the environment is healthy for the market users and both passerbys.
Okay, in Wuse Market, we actually outsourced our cleaning to a consultant, but with specific service level standards. Every day they clean the market, like 3 times. That's talking of the sweeping. And they pick up the waste, and every day they evacuate the waste in Wuse Market. Then for the drainages, there's a program we have every 2 weeks. They clean through the drain lines to avoid blockage, to avoid build-up of the parasites or stuff like that. So this is the program we have in Wuse Market. And that is why if you come in the morning, you see that the market is very clean. When it gets around 11, 12, 1, after people are maybe due to attitudinal problems, throw things on the floor, we'll still gather it together again. Then before closing, we'll do it again. That's why I said the program you guys are doing, it's more of changing people, bringing people's consciousness to the fact that there's need to manage the environment properly.
All right, to wrap it up, what will be your advice to market users and residents of Abuja generally on waste management?
For me, I think the key thing for me is proper waste management. What do I mean proper waste management? We've heard of houses that got swept off by flood. It is because waste are dumped inside the drain lines and the canals. So there's need to sensitize people more in the FCT that if you think you are doing it the cheap way by throwing it on the street or throwing it in the drain line, eventually, if it doesn't affect you, it affects someone you know. Either, in the case of flood sweeping people's houses away, or you become sick. You understand? So those are my advice is that let us see how we improve on waste management in the FCT. And one of it is what you have just started, creating the awareness, bringing people's consciousness to the fact that we need to keep the environment.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you very much too.